Hi and welcome back to the CQI tutorial series. We're currently in the demo project that we've created in the previous tutorials, and we're going to be looking today at the action log. So we're going to be starting from this screen just to change things up, and if we click onto action log, we'll then see the action log is currently displaying with nothing in it, and you can see that we're on the demo projects at the top of the screen. So if I go on to the blue add new action box, and that then takes us on this new submenu. It's really quick and straightforward and easy to fill out. You would enter your task and stage. So the task, we're going to put showcase CQI tools. The stage, we're in the demonstration stage at the moment. This group and parent option, there's nothing available at the moment because we don't have many actions in. But what you can then do is you can assign tasks into groups as you start adding them on. It's a drop down menu. There's nothing appearing at the moment because I haven't added anything yet. And you can also parent tasks into different stages. We have a start and end date, so I'll not bother changing today's start date. But if we look at our deadline date, and I'll just go sometime next week, click that. You can then see the days remaining box shows that we have 7 days to complete this task. When we jump back onto the previous screen we're on, it also rags that, so you have a red, amber, green system. Any that are on red are overdue, and it shall appear as amber as you get closer to the deadline. We have a lead for this task. I should just add myself on. You can add any progress notes or outcomes. It's free text, so you can type in absolutely anything you want. So I'll just add something very generic, nothing to report. Once the task has been complete, you can then put a completion date in, and on the screen that I'm talking about, I'll show you in a second, it shall change to green. We'll go back and do that in a second. And you can also add attachments to this. So if you, for example, if someone sent you an email and you want to attach that email so it's available at any point, it's a case of you press the select menu, and it just brings up that. So you've probably done this with other tools in the past. So if I just go onto my desktop, go on pages hopefully, and I'm just going to add this. So you can see that's now uploaded, so your file has uploaded. Click save, and it's very important that you save these. So as we click save, we then jump back on. Like I said before, the status box does go into a red, amber, green system, so within 7 days it should go amber. Anything that's overdue, and we'll jump back in and edit just to show you these changing. So if I put that was due on the 27th, which was yesterday, and I also change the start date just so it doesn't not recognize that I've added the date on. You can then see the statuses went down to 0 days and it's overdue because it's in red. You can see that we've attached a file because there's a little tick next to it. I'll jump back on the edit again. I'll go on to complete the project just so you can see the change in them all. And then if I say this was completed today, and you can now see the status has changed to green with the tick next to it. You can add new actions. You can add as many as you want by clicking the add new action button. You can delete the action if it's no longer applicable by clicking the X to X out the top. And finally, that's us done for the action log. In the next session, we'll be looking at stakeholder analysis. And just a quick way of getting back to your front page, you can click on Tools Home on the left-hand side of the menu. And that brings you up to this screen, and you can access it that way.